What's good with it, fam, man? Hey, you already know who it is, man. I've been gone for a little while, but I'm back. First tutorial in a minute. What I'm about to do for you guys is, but before I go for it real quick, I need you guys to smash that like button. I don't care if you didn't watch the video already. I need you to smash the like button. I need you to hit the subscribe button. Show me love. Watch this video for at least 30 seconds so it counts as a view. All right, thank you. Now we got that out the way. You did that for me. I do this for you. It's 30 seconds. All right. Now, here we go. All right, Studio One. How do we chop and screw? You know, how do we do this? I'm going to show you how to do it, you know what I mean? It's real easy. Yeah. So, I'm about to play this.
Hold it. Hold your breath, don't hiccup. Let's go. I got a bad bitch.
All right, so look.
See me at the top, just look up. Look it. Hold.
So, you see these? You hear these parts right here?
Bitches hide in the trap where I cook it. See me at the top, just look up. Look it. Hold your breath, don't hiccup. Hold it.
Hold it. So, yeah. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to just get these parts. So, what I'll do is I'll right click it and I'll merge these. All right. And just so you guys can know, this is what I'm doing. This is only once. Right click. Oh, before I do it. Yeah, right click and bounce it real quick. If you merge it. If you're merging. I'm not merging. So, you could do this on just one. It don't matter. Right click and you want to go to the transpose. Bring that down to like, I did mine to like 7 or 8, but let's hear it.
Bitches hide in the trap where I cook up. See me at the top, just look up. Hold your breath, don't hiccup. Hold your breath, don't hiccup. I got a bad bitch with a big.
You see what I'm saying? So, you know, you could do this. If you want to go high, you can go high. Like a chipmunk voice.
I cook up. See me at the top, my bow. Bitches hide in the trap where I cook up. See me at the top, just look up. Hold your breath, don't hiccup. Hold your breath, don't hiccup.
I'm not going to use that, but I figured you guys.
Where I cook up. See me at
that cook
where I cook up. See me at the top.
That's kind of hard with the low one. All right, and then last thing I want to do is show you guys. Let me Control Z up out of all this, because you can do this on individual ones. That's what I meant to say. So last thing I want to show you guys is how you do the chop. I'm trying to find a good part to do a chop.
I got a bad bitch with a big butt, shaking her ass, getting big.
Shake. Yeah, that. So that shaking. I'm about to throw a shake. I'm gonna show you how I do it. Now there's plenty of ways you can do it. What I do is I double click. Oh, that's Melodyne. Usually I'm not in Melodyne. I want to get out of Melodyne. It's probably not gonna let me do that. So here's what I'll do. I'll just bounce it for now to get me out of Melodyne. Right click and right click, double click, and now this is exactly where I want to be right here. This edit. So just know if you're in Melodyne, it did that. I'm gonna Control Z that, but I'm just showing you guys. So
shaking her ass, getting big.
Shaking. So right here, I always use the tool where I can have the split or the arrow tool and like the range tool, which also can split. So I'll split it, double click right there. Hold on.
Man, shaking her ass.
Is this shake too? Oh, I'll go to my listen tool.
Shaking her.
Yeah, I don't want the aching her. Yeah, I just want the shake. So boom, press D. And obviously I need to cut some of this too. And this is probably gonna be cut too. Boom, bring that over.
Butt smash, shaking her ass.
And boom, you drag it out if you want.
Butt smash, shaking her ass.
You know, you hear it?
Big butt smash, shaking her ass, getting big butt. Cash.
So
hold your breath, don't hiccup. Let's go. I got a bad bitch with a big butt. Smash, shaking her ass, getting big butt. Cash. I got more drugs.
So, you know, that's how you do chops. That's how you do it. If you're struggling, like you should be able to do it on the grid with the toggle snap on the grid, but if you're having any issues chopping, just take it off and you'll be able to slit. So man, that's how you do it. Man, all right, so subscribe, right? Did you subscribe? All right, cool. And did you you like? All right, cool. Did you comment? Did you comment? I love y'all, man. I hope this helped out you guys, man. More videos on the way. It's all love. Peace.